To screen record on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you have to open that quick control center. Now you have to click on the edit button, and we are looking for a screen recorder icon. So we have to actually go here. There's the screen recorder. We have to tap on it and take a look right now. Before you start recording, you'll have to confirm. And right now we have to grant all of those permissions, and what is really important, then you have to click on the settings icon and change some options. So for example, if you want to record your screen by using your microphone, you can do this. You can select the microphone, or for example, you want to record both sounds. So you have to also click here on the both of them. So it will record internal and external sound. You can also show the button taps and, for example, the touch gestures. You can of course change the resolution, video quality, and even some orientation if you want. Now to start recording, you will have to click on this button, and of course this will be not visible, so you don't have to worry about this one. When you click on it again, then it will be just recorded, and this is everything for this video.